Welcome back to the channel, guys. Teach here again. The channel is named Teach Them for a reason. You understand? It is a situation where, I will share my opinions on a lot of things, but I also try as best as possible to edify, inform, and to educate as best as I can, as often as I can. And I'm taking this opportunity now to try and educate the youths of our country. Now, many of the youths in this country have lost their way, are losing their way, are straying. And I want to talk to them youths there now. You understand what I say? Youth, you see, your current situation don't determine how the rest of your life goes. Today not determine tomorrow. You understand what I say? Because I'm going to share a little thing with you here now. So I'm going to go on a little bit of background. I was born in St. Mary. Spent a lot of my formative years in St. Mary. Then I moved to St. Ann and spent most of my growing up years, especially my teenage years, in St. Ann. But in St. Mary, I grew up in a very, very poor family. You understand? And let me explain to you when I say poor, what I really mean, I mean poor in the sense that, you get one shoes and a suit of clothes for grand market, and you get another suit of clothes or an extra pair of shoes for the next year. Poor that you have one shoes, or go school, or go church, or go out, or go everywhere, one shoes. I mean poor in the sense that what, 7, 8, 9 hours you sleep on one bed. You understand what I mean? I say poor where they were nice that I went to bed just eating a bulla and drinking a back juice, or just eating a bulla and drinking some water. I remember one Sunday me only eat yellow yam for dinner, another Sunday me eat white rice and sardine for dinner. You understand? These things have stuck with me, and it's for a reason. And it was because there was no choice. You understand? Poor, we are talking about you go. I went to primary school at one point in time, barefoot. Poor when I go school without lunch money. You understand? But I never make them things that get to me. I never make them things that get me down. You understand what I say? Because I knew that I never want to stay in that situation for the rest of my life. You understand what I say? And my driving force was education, and my education started out unlike many of you guys. Many of you started going to school from a 2-year-old, 3-year-old. I went to school for the first time when I was 5 years old, and that was basic school. I only spent 1 year in basic school. So the formative years and the foundation of my education was very weak. You understand what I mean? So when I went to primary school, I wasn't up and running immediately. It took some while, and I had some teachers who saw the potential and encouraged me. You see, a word of encouragement is one of the most powerful things in life. You understand? Did common entrance, went to high school, started out high school, not the strongest, wasted a lot of my grade 8 years. We make mistakes in life, do you understand? But luckily I had teachers who believed in me, who saw potential in me, and was able to encourage and motivate me and mold me to want to become something in life. You understand me? I say, youth, listen when the teachers them talk to you. See? Now I am in a situation where I am a qualified and trained secondary school teacher. I can buy a suit of clothes when I want. I can eat what I want most of the time. The country kind of still rough, so more times certain things expensive. But the truth is, I can eat what I want majority of the times. When it come on to shoes now, I have shoes that I haven't touched in years. See, I can wear a different pair of shoes for the 31 day or any month. I still have spare. You understand what I say? Because I wanted more than what I had when I was. When I was growing up, there were times when I wish I was born into a different family. You understand what I say? For the first couple of years of my life, I didn't know my mom. She left me when I was a child. You understand what I say? I grew up lacking that mother's love. But then I had a stepmother who tried her best. But your mother never did it. And it affected me for a long period of time. But me never met that again. Get the best of me. You understand? Mommy, big up yourself. And a little bit of miles and uphill me walk with bucket or a buckle of water for my head to go give cow, feed cow after schools in the evening. And a little pimento me pick a summer or chop pasta. You understand me? I say, or wash out pen or care water for wash out pen. I have been through it, you understand? But here I am today. And you know what? I am grateful for the life that I had when I was growing up. You understand? Because it made me appreciate certain things more. Probably if I didn't grow up that way, I wouldn't be here today. I wouldn't be the person I am today. So that experience, as hard and harsh as it was growing up, has made me the person I am today. And youths, me I say, use your circumstances and your situation for order your life. You understand me? I say, use it as a motivation, as encouragement. Cool? Because look here, man, we can't just go through these things. So you understand me? I say, we have to elevate yourself. Your community no determines say where you're in and no determines you're it, you spend the rest of your life. You know, you don't have to spend the rest of your life in there. So you can achieve anything you want as long as you have the right persons around you, as long as you have the right frame of mind, as long as you have the right drive and passion and motivation to achieve these things. Surround yourself with persons who are going to build you, not kill you, persons who are going to encourage you, not break you down or pull you down. You understand me? I say, no, we see the youths them, the youths them nowadays now will no meds. You understand? The dressing, how we talk, everything. You have some man with them pants tighter than the girl with them a par with. I don't say no man pants can't straight and fit it. Because you know, say you have to clean and neat when you go on the road, but your pants have to tight, bad man. You understand me? I say, man, I wear them pants under them bottom. Wear down yourself. Yo, hear me? I say, them, come on, man. I could deal with the thing. I could look like men in the country. You know? You understand me? I say, I am a big man. I don't have a piercing. I don't shave my eyebrow. I don't have a tattoo. I don't smoke. Yeah, I drink. Okay, you know, you go party, you build with your friends, them XYZ, we drink this. You understand? We don't gamble. You dig what I say? And it's not because I never have the opportunity to do them. I grew up in a house with my mother and my stepfather smoke. I grew up with friends with smoke. I grew up with friends who pierced them 2 years and in the primary school. You understand what I say? I grew up with friends who have been tattooed from way back when. But I made a conscious decision that them things are really important to me. You understand me? I say, I said nothing wrong with tattoo, but when you go overdo it and put tattoo everywhere on your body, not thinking about the future, youths, you can't go in the military with a tattoo. First thing, and that's enough of a saving grace. People start people now when they do interview if you have tattoo. You have some girl who bore every space span 9 years we can bore. You have man who bore them here 6, 7, 8, 9 times. You have my youths, a woman shave eyebrow. I'm not busy when a man wants to say. You understand me? I say, if you pierce a ears, man, think about it before you do it. And that's something you need. You have a man them you know where a white eye new thing, every man a bleach. Why? The girls them like girls like what, man? If I that wanna think make girls like in a situation now where me don't know what will help you. I not bleach bad man, I not pierce my ears, I not shave my eyebrow, I not have a tattoo, and I not have a problem to get a girl. You understand what I mean? I say, so that not get picked, that not in it, so not give me the story there. The man them to start bleach them skin. The man them to start be men. You understand? I start be some boy. I'm not perfect. I mean, I have made many mistakes in the past. I have done things that when I sit and I reflect on, I am not proud of. But the good thing is that my mistakes weren't as costly as many persons, and I also learned and made it a point of my duty to learn from the mistakes of people around me. Sometimes the biggest lessons that we learn in life are the mistakes of other people. You understand what I say? So youths, in closing, I just want to say to you, say, yo are going, man. The country that we live in now, the future of it is in your hands. You understand what I say? I mean, we need to ensure that we are in a position to take this country forward. We need to stop just to live for today. You understand? We need to put ourselves in a position where 10, 15 years down the road, we can become worthwhile citizens of this country, to become wonderful mothers and fathers and parents to our children. We need to ensure that we live with lives that when our children learn things about our past, they can be proud of us. They can be proud that we are their parents. I mean, as I said, everybody will make mistakes. And that's what I mean. I say, but the most important thing when you make a mistake is to learn from it. If you don't take the lesson forward, you would have wasted your time. You understand me? I say, youths, just wise up, no man. Open up your eyes up, no man. You understand me? I say, and lift your lives up, no man. And oh. Thank you for watching the video.
drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.